Hi there friends, in this video I'll show you to turn NFC on or off on your Samsung Galaxy A27 and explain a few useful NFC settings you may want to know about. NFC, which stands for Near Field Communication, allows your phone to communicate with compatible devices, make contactless payments, read NFC tags, and perform other wireless tasks with a simple tap. To get started, open the Settings menu. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you find Connections and tap on it. This section contains various wireless connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile networks, and NFC. Next, look for NFC and contactless payments. Tap on it to access the NFC settings page. Here you will see a toggle switch at the top of the screen. If the switch is gray, NFC is currently disabled. Simply tap the switch to turn NFC on. When enabled, the switch will change color, indicating that NFC is active and ready to use. If you no longer need NFC, tap the same switch again to turn it off. Disabling NFC can help conserve a small amount of battery life and prevent accidental NFC interactions. For additional options, tap directly on the NFC and contactless payments menu instead of just using the toggle. Inside, you may find settings related to contactless payments, transit cards, and your default payment application. If you use services such as mobile wallets, this is where you can select which app should handle tap-to-pay transactions. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly enable or disable NFC on your Samsung Galaxy A27 and customize related settings to match your preferences and everyday needs.